Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll bring you updates as regards my trading strategy on Forex. It's been amazing. Um, Recently, I shared an update as regards the account I was trading. You can check the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel on Truewealth. You find this trading strategy and this account that I've been building. This account is actually an FBS account, a free account, a bonus account where you'll be given $140, and that $140, when you trade it, you'll be able to withdraw. When you trade it for minimum of 20 days and you trade 5 lot size, and also meaning that I've made almost $120 on it right now. So when you trade it and you make profits, you complete the lot size, then you can withdraw. This is the progress report so far. You can see profit 118.12, but it's actually 140. They've not just counted the last one. Okay, so as you can see, traded lots, I have 3.01. I'm still going to 5. I've not missed any day. So in case you are looking for a free account to trade, you can also register on FBS. Register FBS. You'll be given free $140 if you are really good at trading. Okay, there are also other bonus accounts live that you can trade if you read their terms and conditions, because not all bonus accounts are good for trading, because some of them you will not be able to withdraw, some of them are scam, but FBS is a legit broker. Okay, so as you can see, this is my trade for today. I made $37 today, and I still have a running trade, as you can see, and I still have a running trade right now, and it's already approaching my take profit. Although I don't know if it will touch tonight, but nonetheless, there are terms and conditions you need to know about this FBS. One of the major terms and conditions is that you have to complete it in 20 days, minimum 20 days, and then you must not miss up more than 5. You must not miss up to 5 among while you are trading for the 20 days, and 100 points is what we count. If you are trading, for example, 0.0100, then to 0.01100, so that is 100 points. That's when they will count that trade for you. Okay, so that's it. You can register for FPS and get your login, then get ready to trade. As for this strategy, this is how it works. As you can see, you trade from here. I have some indicators and I have some patterns. I don't want to share this strategy, and you can, if you are interested in learning how to trade with this strategy, it's just a little fee. You will really be blessed. You will really be blessed. You will really be glad that you learned something like this. You also have access to a lot of information on prop firm accounts. I can't share that here. Prop firm account, free prop firm account, and not one, and also many other things. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and join our Telegram channel, Truewealth channel, t.me, as you can see on your screen. So make sure you join our Telegram channel, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Let them also be blessed. So I will show you my withdrawal and everything live here on this channel. Okay, and in case I didn't post it, maybe I forgot to do so, but I'm already almost done with the trading. Okay, so if you are interested, just send a message on Telegram at Truewealth001, at Truewealth001. So just a little fee, and you'll be able to participate in the training. So thank you very much. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.